we are going to look at everyone this morning is to define a number base. All right, and I'm just going to open another slide, all right, and have you pay attention. Number-based system is simply a method of counting that determines the total number of unique digits or symbols used in the numeral system. All right, in simple words, a number-based system is simply a method of counting or a system of counting numbers, right? And it determines the total number or unique digits or symbols used in a numeral system. So there are different systems of counting. All right, there are several systems, all right, of counting. For example, the standard decimal, which is base 10 system, uses 10 digits, right? That's from 0 to 9. While the binary system, that's base 2, uses only 2 digits, zeros and ones. Now, like I said, a number-based system is simply refers to a system of counting. So there are different and several different systems, right, of counting numbers. There are several systems of counting numbers, right? So these systems are what we're going to be looking at one after the other. And I know that some of you, of course, every one of you, are familiar with the way we count numbers, right? We count numbers. You have digits from 0 to 9. All the digits you can ever think of right now is from 0 to 9, right? That means our number-based system, right, that we use in this present day and in this part of the world, right, and in every majority part of the world is base 10. Is base 10. Now I'm going to do something quickly here. All right, just pay attention. All right, pay attention. Now here the highest digit in any base is always one less than itself. So what that means is that, for example, base 2 has only 2 digits, which is 0 and 1. Base 2 has only 2 digits, which is 0 and 1. Now, all the digits in a number base, right, the highest digit in any base is one short of itself, is one short of the base number. So, for example, base 2 has 2 digits, which are 0, 0, and 1. Now, 1, which is the highest digit in base 2, is one short of 2. One short of 2. That's the highest is 1, right? For example, let's take base 3. Base 3, right, will be 0, 1, and 2. 0, 1, and 2. So you can see that the highest digit in base 3 is 2. The highest digit in base 3 is 2, which is one short of the base number. The base number is 3, but the highest digit is 2, right? The base number is 3, but the highest digit is 2, right? So the highest digit is simply one short of the base number. So if you move on, base 4. Base 4 will be 0, 1, 2, and 3. 0, 1, 2, and 3. All right. So to continue on that, I'm going to ask you to do something right now. Now pay attention. So now this is what you are going to do. Now you are going to write from base 5 up to base 10. Base 5 up to base 10. All right. You are going to write all the digits in base 5. You are going to write all the digits in base 6, all the digits in base 7, all the digits in base 8, all the digits in base 9, and all the digits in base 10. For the sake of this level, we are going to stop at base 10. Right? We are stopping at base 10. I want to see your activity. I want to see your activity. All right. I want to see it on the public chat. So everyone go from base 5 to base 10. Go to the public. I want to see it there. Put it on the public chat. All the digits, just the way I've arranged mine. You can see the way I arranged mine. From base 5, write all the digits in base 5. All the digits in base 7. All digits in base 8, base 9, and base 10. I want to see your responses on the public chat. Okay. Oh, that's good. That's good. All right. I want to see it up to base 9. Up to base 9. Put it up to base 9. Okay, that's good. I can see that. Good. That's good. Up to base 9. Good, good. I can see your responses. I can see your responses. Adela, Shemilore, I can see your responses. Daniel. Umar, I can see your responses. Okay, I can see your response, Umar. Hazel, Covenant, I can see your response. Okay, up to base 9. Let's take it up to base 9. Otobong, I can see your response. That's good. I can see your response. Shalom. Oh, great. Great. Sophia, I can see your response. Rebecca, I can see your response. All right, let's keep at it in the next 1 minute. Okay, good. It shows that you understand what I just taught. That's good. I can see your responses. Beautiful. That's good. That's good. So now put them in your note. Now put them in your note from base 5 to base 9. Put them in your note from base 5 to base 9. Very good. Yeah, I see your responses. So put them in your note. Put them in your note. From base 5 to base 10. Put them in your note. So if we go back to our objective, we've been able to define a number base. All right. Also, we've been able to describe the different number bases that we have. Now there are other number bases. All right. There are other number bases. There is different other number bases, base 16, base 15, right? But for the sake of for the sake of this level, all right, we're just going to limit it to base 10. Right, we're going to limit it to base 10. Now, the next thing I'm going to teach you is how to convert numbers from one base to another. How to convert numbers from one base to another. Converting numbers from one base to another. Converting numbers from one base to another. Converting numbers from one base to another. So we are going to start from base 10 to base 2. Base 10 to base 2. Now let me say that base 10 is called denary. All right, sometimes it is used as decimal too. Right? Decimal. Why base 2 is called binary. Base 2 is called binary. So sometimes you could have it as convert a number from base 10, all right, from denary to binary. So when you hear binary, that's base 2. When you hear denary or decimal, that's base 10. Now let me say that now all the numbers, like I said, are counting today, right, in today's world is in base 10, right? We count in base 10. So that's why we have the digits from 0 to 9. So we count in base 10. Now we can now convert. We can convert numbers from base 10, right, to base 2. We can convert numbers from base 10 to base 2. Now there are two methods. You can put this down. There are two methods to convert numbers from one base to another. There are two methods to convert numbers from one base to another. Number one is the power expansion method. The power expansion method. Power expansion. Number two is successive division. Successive division. Number one is power expansion. Number one is power expansion. Number two is successive division. Successive division. Now, to convert numbers, from base 10 to base 2, we use the successive division method. We use the successive division method to convert a number, or to convert numbers from base 10. From base 10 to base 2, we use the successive division method. We use the successive division method. Now let's take an example. An example. Convert. Let's convert 56. 56 is in base 10. convert 56 in base 10 to a number in base 2. So we want to convert 56 in base 10. We want to convert 56 in base 10 to a number in base 2. We want to convert 56 in base 10 to a number in base 2. So I need you to pay attention to that, to how I'm going to do that. So I'm moving to the next slide. Okay, so 56 here. Then since we're converting to base 2, so you are going to use 2 to divide. You are going to use 2 to divide. So now we're going to take it one after the other. Now 2 in 56. All right, we're doing this together. I want to see the answer on the public chart. Give me the answer on the public chart. 56 divided by 2. Put the answer on the public chart. Okay, I'm good. Let me have 5 responses. Okay, Umar says 28. So if you agree with him, I want to see your response on the public chart. Good. Okay, 28. I have 3 responses. Oh, Hazel has a different opinion. It says 24. Hazel, I think you should check that again. Yeah, 3 responses for 28. I need 2 more. Right? I need 2 more on that. Okay, Hazel said that was a mistake. That's 28. Okay, so 2 in 56 is 28. All right, it's 28. So we'll keep dividing by 2. Right, we'll keep dividing by 2. Now 2 in 28. Now before then, make sure you write your remainder. Now remainder 0. So this is how you are going to write it going forward. You will tell me the number and you tell me the remainder. For example, 2 in 56, 28 remainder 0. Just use R to represent remainder. 28 remainder 0. All right, 2 in 28. Let's have it. Okay, Umar says 14. Can we have others? Let's have other responses. Don't worry, we are getting there. Okay, Salom, we are going to get there. For the sake of those who didn't know it before, all right, we are going to get there. Okay, so I have 14. Okay, there are 2 14 responses. Can we have others? Okay, the 3 now. Okay, so that's 14. 14 remainder what? You didn't put the remainder. We didn't put the remainder. Okay, remainder 0. Remainder 0. Okay, so 2 in 14 again. 2 in 14, that's very easy, right? That will be 7. Okay, good. Remainder 0. 2 again in 7. 2 in 7. That's 3, right? Okay, good. 3 remainder 1. 2 in 3. 2 in 3, okay, good. That's 1. Remainder 1. What about 2 in 1? 2 in 1 is what? I've not seen any response yet. What is 2 in 1? 2 in 1 is 0. Good, Daniel. Is 0 remainder 1. Right? 2 in 1 is 0. You can't find 2 in 1. So that's 0 remainder 1. Let me extend my line. Okay, so that's 0 remainder 1. So what you are going to do next, right, is to write all the remainders. Write all the remainders. That's what you are going to do next. Write all the remainders. Second number, who can see the second number? 19591305. Who can see the second number? If you can see it, just notify me. Okay, Otobon can see it. Where is Otobon now? Let me make you the presenter so that... Okay, Otobon, can you go ahead? I just made you the presenter. Look for it. Stroke it. Even me, I can't see it here too. If you have seen it, Otobon, can you stroke it? Let me confirm that. Otobon, are you there? Or you can't see it? Who else can see it? 19591
19.
Right, 305. Oh, Johannes, you can see it. Okay, let me make Johannes the presenter then. Johannes, can you go ahead and show us? I just made you the presenter, Johannes. So show us. Johannes, are you there? Oh, it's the wrong one. So who can see it now? Johannes couldn't find it. So who can see that number? 19591 Who can find it? Let us see how well you can find that. 19591 No one. What's happening here? Come on. What's happening in this class? No one can find it. 19591 19. Adela, you can find it. Let me know if you can.
I wanted to say I found the third number.
The third one. Okay, I think we should just do it like that. Okay, so if you find anyone, all right, just let me know. So Adela, I just made you the presenter. Can you go ahead and stroke it out? That will be 237-56810. Just stroke it out, okay?
And the 1959 number.
Oh, okay. Who just spoke now? Is that Daniel?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll make you the presenter now so that you are going to stroke it. Okay, can you use a different color? Try and use a different color, all right? So stroke it. And if you can't find a different color, that's okay. Okay, Covenant said she can see the 195. I'm waiting for Daniel. Are you just looking for it? Okay. Oh, 1959591 Wow, that's very thoughtful of you, and that's very sharp. Actually, that's very sharp of you. All right. So which one again? So three gone. Which one again can you find? So look. Which one can you find? Okay, I think I have a response here. Let me check. Okay, Otobong can see the 6th number. Okay, let me make Otobong the presenter so that she can stroke it out. Otobong, go ahead. Stroke the number out. Go ahead and stroke the number out. The 6th number, right? 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be 385-12049. That's good. Good. Okay, so 4 numbers gone. Can we have others? Okay, we just have 3 minutes left. We have 3 minutes. Left for this.
I can see the 8th one.
The 8th number.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll make you the presenter. You stroke it out. All right, I just made you the presenter, so go ahead, stroke it. That will be, the 8 will be 455, right? 455-390-890. Are you sure? That's it?
From back and downwards, third line.
Okay, fourth line.
Okay. Downwards, 58857. Yeah, from there. No.
Okay. I think Covenant is trying to tell you something, Daniel.
Downwards. Start counting downwards.
Okay, since Covenant can find it.
Covenant, if you have found it,
Covenant, I just made you the presenter. Can you go ahead and you stroke the number out?
I've seen the 4th number on the 2nd line.
Okay, just hold on. I'm going to shoot. I'm coming. Let Covenant stroke that one out. 455. Oh yes, yeah, that's it, right? 455-390-890. Wow, that's good. All right, Rebecca, you can find the number. All right, go ahead. I just made you the presenter. Go ahead and stroke the number out. We have just 1 minute.
So I can see the last number.
Okay, I'm coming, Adela.
The 5th number.
Wow, you guys are bombarding me now. Rebecca, are you done? Okay, which number is that? 1 9. Oh, great. 117. Okay, 88963. That's great. Adela.
I see the last number.
Okay, I'm coming. Otobong. Adela, go ahead and can you stroke the number? Go ahead and stroke the number, Adela. I just made you the presenter. Let's see that. Oh, where is that? Are you doing that already? All right,
So
our
I'm trying
time
to
is.
change the color.
No, you can use any color. You can use any color. You can use any color. Okay, let's have one more. I think Otobong said she can find a number.
Can find the fifth number.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay, Adela just finished with that. Where is Otobong? Can you go ahead and stroke your number? Otobong, go ahead and stroke your number. Then after which Daniel too will stroke his number. Okay, Otobong can see the last. Go ahead and stroke it out. That's 030-45851.
So Adela will stroke it.
So you write all the remainders. So what are the remainders here now? From we start from below to the top. Right? Start from the ground to the top. Start from the ground to the top. So we say that 56. Right? 56 in base 10. Now when you see this subscript means that 56 is in base 10. 56 is in base 10. Now 56 is in base 10 from the ground to the top is 1 1 1 0 0 0, right, in base 2. So you write the base number as a subscript. Write the base number as a subscript. So 56 in base 10. 56 in base 10 is 111000 in base 2. 56 in base 10 is 111000 in base 2. So that confirms what I said earlier about the digits in base 2. How that digits in base 2 are only 0 and 1. Only 0 and 1. All the digits in base 2 are only zeros and ones. All right. So 56 in base 10 is 11100 in base 2. So you can put that down in your note. Put that down in your note. If you have a question, this is the time to ask. If you have a question, you can either raise your hand to ask, or you use the public chat, or you send me a private message. Ask your question now. Ask your question now. I'll give you, you have just 3 minutes to put down what is on the screen. All right, do that in 3 minutes. Do that in 3